Let's learn how to solve equations in different moduli, and here is an example. We have to solve for the unknown in 3x is equivalent to 2 in mod 4. And here, the x here is the unknown we have to solve for. So let's rewrite that. 3x equivalent to 2 mod 4. And here, to solve this equation in simple equation, when we have 3x equals to 2, we have to divide both sides by 3, which is the same thing we'll be doing here. But 2 is not divisible by 3. So to make it divisible by 3, we add the mod to 4 to 2. So we have 3x equals 2 plus 4. So we have 3x equals 6. And here we can divide both sides by 3 because 6 is now divisible by 3. So we have divided by 3, divided by 3. 3 goes in 3, 1. 3 goes in 3, 1. So we have x equals 6 divided by 3 here. We have 2 in mod 4. And that becomes the value for the unknown we have to solve for in this equation. Thank you.